I'm going to go over a pair of walking / maybe running workout shoes from the company NORTIV 8. How about that? And what this is a design. They have these kind of hollow pods in the middle. You know what? Check it out. You can see my hand moving in the background. And what they've done, they've hollowed this out so it gives max kind of like shock absorption in these shoes. And what it does, it has a little bit of like reflective striping on the sides, the back for running, walking, maybe late, dawn, or morning if you want to do that. Has nice lace-up feature, a breathable top mesh. I put these on, I wore them around. They have a nice kind of bounce back rolling to them. The pod little feature works in there. I felt the outsoles are thick, cushiony, and this is just going to be a great all-around shoe for working out, going to the gym, light-duty hiking, or just kind of walking around the neighborhood or something like that. I've been very impressed with this NORTIV 8 company, and I recommend these to anyone that just wants a good, affordable kind of workout shoe that's kind of like a cross trainer. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV 8 workout shoe / running shoe. See you all in the next video.